Honey,
What?
tonight I'm gonna sleep inside my car.
You are? Is
that okay?
Where?
I have a Tesla bed. I'm gonna build a bed. I'm gonna sleep in my car. I'm gonna put it in the driveway. I'm gonna order Uber Eats. I'm gonna live in the car all night.
Okay.
Is that okay?
It's okay. It's kind of
You gonna miss me?
Of course I'll miss you. London will be happy she gets to sleep with me too.
So yes, I have a bed that is made for a Tesla, and today we're gonna go set it up, and then I'm gonna test it out. And what better way to test it out? On a cold night, in the driveway, I'm just gonna sleep in the car and give a real review. Does it work? Is it comfortable? How good is the sleep? Let me show you this bed. Okay, this looks like a good spot to park the car for the night. Cars lose a lot of heat out of the windows. It's not the most efficient thing to keep heat inside. If you have your heater going all the time, it's gonna get cold tonight. It's gonna be about 26 degrees here at the coldest. I know to a lot of you that's not very cold. There should be a sleeping mode inside of this Tesla that will regulate the temperature to whatever temperature I want it to be. But then also, what is the battery gonna do overnight? We'll look at it before I go to sleep to see what the battery is at, and then we'll look at it in the morning to see how much battery I drain just from running the heater. I don't know, this is a weird experiment. Let me show you the bed. I gotta show you the bed. This is the bed. It's called Dream Case. Well, it's supposed to be a bed inside of this box. That's just for Teslas. Take my little key, open up my trunk. You will notice this car does not have as much room as a Model X. So how could you sleep inside of a family sedan? Well, a couple things. This thing up here, this should just come off, I think. Oh, okay, so this cover is off. That makes room for it. Those seats should go down. I've never actually taken them down. How do I do it? Maybe this button? Hey. Okay, those are down. This is made by a company called Dream Case. You can see it right there on the side. They did not pay me for this video, but my friend Eli, you know Eli with the My Tesla Adventure with the full self-driving car, well, he sent me this as a gift. Thank you for sending me this. He saw that I had a Tesla Model S. I'm not sure, you can probably do this in a Model 3 and a Model Y, maybe smaller. He said if you're 6'4" or shorter, you can sleep comfortably in here. A mattress for your Tesla. I already like this idea. Being really careful with it. We've got some more things inside of here. We already have a bunch of boxes behind me, so don't mind the broken down boxes mess. What? This came from Slovenia? Wow, I'm gonna need another knife. Whoa, look at that. Oh my, it is such nice material. This feels like the white leather from a Tesla, and this feels like some nice rubber. Wow, let's see how it would pack in here. That doesn't take up a ton of space. Like if you're somebody that's gonna go camping, underneath here is more storage space. So the trunk does get pretty big. And also remember that you have the front trunk. So if you were camping, traveling, you could store bags and stuff underneath here. Eli, who sent me this, asked Elon Musk,
is it going to be possible to get climate control to the back of the Cybertruck? Because that would be the ultimate camping machine if we can get all night climate control.
I agree, that'd be really cool.
Elon was like, yeah, I think we can do that. Thanks, Elon. How does this work? Okay. I don't know. Guess what? I need my knife again. Okay, this looks vacuum sealed. It might expand once I puncture it. That's satisfying. This is the bed. This is the bed part. Look at that. Really soft, really squishy, cozy. All right. Down here is some sort of Velcro. They're flipping the case over. Oh, they're using the Dream Case. Okay, okay, okay. I watched a YouTube video. I'm doing it wrong. Thank you, YouTube. Looks like you do use this. Like that. Hey, that's pretty sturdy. It's like a box spring. All right, I'm just gonna test it out before we put the blankets on it, just to see if I've structurally, ow. Don't get in that way. In the videos that I've watched, people put sheets on at this point. I don't have any sheets yet. I don't think they're inside of here. I think this is more of a blanket or a pillow. Oh! Oh! What's this? That looks like a little pillow. That looks like a little pillow. This is like a nice, wow, look at the blue on it, made in Hungary. That's like What's Inside colors. I don't think they did that just for us, that's just their brand, but hey, it looks like a What's Inside thing. These are sheets, these are black sheets. Because you can get black or white. Hey, they do come with sheets. And then here's some pillowcases. Okay, we got everything we need. I'm just not very good at making the bed, so I need help from Leslie.
I can help you.
Yes.
For sure, that's what I do.
Check it out, so far, looking fresh and nice. Oh, Leslie putting the pillows on. Let's just put it down a little bit.
It looks so much prettier.
It does look prettier, but it looks more cozy this way. What's this one?
It's a light comforter, so I would say you definitely are going to need to have either some heat on or some blanket.
Well, that's the good thing about the Tesla is it does have a camper mode, and it will regulate the temperature all night long for me. Yeah.
I actually know that.
I mean, it's cold enough already that Leslie has her winter jacket on. Check that out.
It's freezing. I'm excited to see if you're gonna like this.
So the real question is, do you want to stay out here with me?
No, I don't. I'm freezing. We don't even sometimes sleep that well in a king-size bed together.
That's true. One of us snores. Okay, for the first lay down test, get on there.
Don't take off my shoes.
Why?
Because
why?
my feet will be cold. Like this could be like almost a hotel bed, I would say. Like it really is comfortable.
Here. Watch your feet. It's coming down.
Oh my gosh.
I got the thumbs up. How's it feel?
It's really, really...
Oh wait, I still got a door open.
Oh.
Hold on.
It's really cozy. It's really cozy, actually.
Really comfy, actually,
Can you hear
I think
me?
she said.
Can you... You know, can I... want to say, yelling?
Yeah, go ahead and tell me.
It's like when we're in pods, the pod hotels, comforting about being in like a pod, like a small space.
I agree. I just wish they had tinted windows on my car. I need that.
Yes. Or like northern lights start showing right here and stars and a moon.
See, look, there's a mode down here called camp mode. Car will stay on until battery reaches 20%. Sentry mode, security alarm, and walkaway lock will be disabled. Hold on, let's do one more thing.
Oh,
Leslie!
stop it!
Leslie, come on!
Don't do that!
Oh no.
Don't stop! It's so juvenile and embarrassing. Stop, please. I don't like it. Oh, yes!
We got a little fire going on.
I like that.
The heat's coming on.
It does feel like you're camping.
We got the fire on.
It's amazing. I really could take a nap right now. You scared me.
Just up in the trunk.
I thought it was like a ginormous toot.
I think we have a video that has like 2 million views of you laughing at farts. You're like in the thumbnail, it says fart, and you're just laughing.
The kids are gonna love this. They'll think it's amazing.
Okay, let's go get her.
Okay.
Let's start with Lincoln.
Oh, the fire. Let's see it. Is there a mattress under there? What is this?
Yeah, it's my bed.
Hop on in. It's pretty cozy.
Yeah?
Yeah. Cool.
Okay, if you need me tonight, I'll be there just getting Uber Eats and eating and
You're getting
chilling.
Uber Eats?
Yeah.
You call me when you're getting Uber Eats.
Oh, I think it's only for people that sleep in the bed in the car. But it's pretty all sick.
That's pretty cool though. Go back there.
Bye, buddy.
Bye, have fun with bar.
Okay. London, I need your help. I gotta show you something kind of weird that I'm doing tonight, okay?
A new car?
Not a new car. I know that's a common thing around these parts. This is where I'm sleeping tonight, inside of my car. I put a bed in there. Crawl in and check it out.
Oh, this is a hard bed. Actually, nice. Oh, it's actually kind of cozy.
Yeah, there's a pillow. If you go a little further, the black things are pillows.
This is nice. Is it legal? Oh!
Not while you're driving. So that's where I'll be tonight.
What if somebody comes to the window?
Then they'll be super surprised that I'm in there sleeping.
Good morning.
Good morning. Bye.
Good night. Have good sleep.
Right now, it is 7:36 p.m. 333 miles, and yes, my car is called not a Honda. I'm going to spend 12 hours inside of this car. Let's see how many miles go down. 333 miles range. It says it'll stay on camper mode until the car gets to, I think, 20% battery. So I have plenty of battery if I should. Time to get some food. Let's get some food. I don't know what's good to eat inside of a car. It's not gonna be too stinky. $5.95 off of my order. Okay, let's get some pizza. 2 pizzas, one for me, one for Lincoln, some cheesy bread for the girls. I'm going with the Hawaiian pizza. Pineapples on pizza is the only way to eat pizza, am I right? Latest arrival, 8:36. I have 40 minutes. What am I gonna do for 40 minutes? Whoa, flying! But I'm legitimately steering with the steering wheel, and I'm using the gas pedal. I'm in first! Finish line! Yeah. Check out what else we got. You go to theater, Twitch, Netflix, Hulu, and YouTube. So even better, if you're camping back here, you're sitting in the back seat. Obviously I'm sitting in the front seat right now because I'm like waiting for my food. I don't know why I'm not in the back seat. I should get in the back seat. I guess because I wanted to push the buttons, play the video game, but it's kind of fun. I will say the car is warmed up really nice right now. Boom, check that out. We just published that 8 hours ago. It's not bad. I'm watching a car about this car from inside of the car. The Matrix, that's amazing. I've been thinking about it. I don't really want my car to smell like pizza. And if you really were camping, would you eat your pizza in your car? No, you would eat it outside of the picnic table. I'm gonna go inside and eat my food.
Here you are.
All right, thanks, have a good night.
Of course you do.
Pizza for you. Okay, I know I'm kind of cheating, but I'm bringing 2 pillows. I like having extra pillows, okay? Claire has not seen the Tesla bed and what I'm up to tonight, so she's gonna throw away our pizza boxes. Oh, it's so cold out here.
Oh.
Look at that, climb in it.
This is fancy.
Pretty nice, huh? I can set the car on camper mode, and then it'll stay the same temperature the whole night as long as the battery has enough battery to do it.
That's cool. Are you gonna like charge it at the same time?
Nope. I wanna do real world as if I was camping. What would it be like? Good night.
Good night.
We have 328 miles. It is currently 40 degrees outside. Got a few extra pillows. Oh my, cold. It is so cold in here. First time I've actually been in it with the door shut. That is a bright street light out there, why? But this is it, I'm legit doing this tonight. Sleeping in my bed, in my car. I need to turn off the lights to the actual house because they're super bright in my face. I've got all of the lights on my phone here. Let's turn off the garage. Let's turn off the driveway and the other driveway. Okay, that's not bad. Just that light from the street is crazy bright. Full review in the morning. I'll let you know. I'll let you know how this night goes. All right, sleeping in my Tesla. This is kind of fun. Good morning. This is what I look like when I wake up. 7:49 a.m. I did pretty good. I don't know, it was pretty comfortable. The bed is pretty cozy. If you can hear, the heat is running. It's blowing pretty hard. I ended up doing it on automatic, set for 70 degrees in here. For the first hour, it was just full on cold feet. My feet were so cold for an hour. And then finally it started getting warm enough. From what I could tell, I don't think that fan ever got any less pressure throughout the whole night. I'm curious how many miles are left of the Tesla. Let's take a look. So yeah, 266 miles left. That's not as much as I thought we'd burn. That's still a safe number that we're at right now. I mean, obviously you're not gonna spend a week in these cold temperatures in your Tesla. I slept pretty well. That light was driving me nutty for a while. Tinted windows would obviously help. My feet, they do touch the end. I'm 6'2", but overall, like honestly, I thought once the sun came up, I was gonna have to go inside and sleep for the next like 3 or 4 hours. I know I look tired with my face, but I actually do feel refreshed. I think I went to bed around 10:30 last night, and then I just woke up at 7:30. 7 to 8 o'clock. Thumbs up on the mattress. That's really cool, but that is one thing I've never done with the Tesla. We've done a lot of weird Tesla videos, but sleeping in it, if I was going on a long road trip and I got tired, I could totally sleep inside of here and then wake up refreshed and not have to pay for a hotel. I would totally do that. Like I said earlier, Eli gave me this case for free, so I didn't have to pay for it. I just looked it up. It's expensive. It's $700. That's probably more than I thought that it would cost. Is it worth it? I mean, if you're somebody that's already buying a car that's $100,000 like the Tesla Model S, an extra $700 is not gonna be a crazy amount. You stay in here 7 times instead of a hotel, you've paid for it. It could be a cool way to see like the national parks, to go and just sleep. Would you sleep inside of a Tesla? Would you buy the dream case? I'm curious to know what you think. I'm gonna go inside and get showered and get some cereal and go have a fantastic day. Thank you for watching my Tesla, sleeping in my Tesla video. I still can't believe I slept in my car. Oh, it's cold. Oh, sorry guys. It's so nice and warm in here. Wow, the air feels really nice. Oh, hey! I'm back, I'm home. I was gone all night. Oh, hi buddy. Okay.
If you were camping and you're like, you can sleep in a tent, and then somebody gave you this as an option, you'd be like, all the way. I don't say fart because I don't say it.
I know I'm right. That's satisfying.
Oh!
I'm doing it wrong. I'm doing something wrong. Thank you, YouTube.